This typography poster design just took me less than 5 minutes to design, and you can do the same. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. You can choose any type of poster size you want. And let's first go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write Colosseum. So in capitals I will write here Colosseum, and after that I will just increase the size. Okay, and after that for the font I will use Gilroy and choose the black one. Okay, and I will make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will use a rectangle and I will just cover till here and till M and slightly move it down. Okay, and increase it here. Okay, and after that I will just select the text part, go to FX and select outline, select this one as white, and after that increase the thickness as much as required. Okay, like this, and slightly crop the rectangle part. Okay, now I will choose a suitable Colosseum image. For that I will go to elements here, and here I will write Colosseum. Okay, and go to photos, click on see all and scroll down to find a suitable image for this effect, and let's use this one. So it looks very good, and as you can see it is not covering the whole of the image. So for that we have to do some editing, and let's do it. So I will just cut the image by pressing Ctrl+X and click on add page and click on Ctrl+V to paste it, and after that go to edit and go to tools, click on see all. Here I will find magic expand in reimagine part and click on expand and make sure it is in selected in whole page. So I will select the first one only, click on done, and after that just download both the pages by clicking on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and just download both the pages. Make sure you select all here and click on download. So when the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload both the images. Okay, just separate them. Now you go to apps here, click on search and here write blend, and you just select the blend image icon here. For the bottom layer select this text layer, and for the top layer use this image and make sure the blend mode is in screen. Okay, so this is done. Click on add page and just add to design here, and your design is complete. And this is the easiest way to make the design in Canva of the poster here. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.